I'm about to make this pencil float in midair with no strings, no tricks, just pure science. Here's something incredible. Earth itself is a giant magnet with invisible force fields everywhere around us. But to make something levitate, I need to create the perfect magnetic field. This is getting dangerous. Whoa! It's actually floating. The magnetic field is stronger than gravity itself. But wait, what if I add more objects? Can I make an entire magnetic solar system? Incredible! I've created a magnetic solar system where metal objects orbit like planets. The secret is electromagnetic fields, invisible forces that can push and pull metal objects without touching them. Uh-oh, the magnetic field is getting too strong. I'm losing control of the levitation. Wait, I can use my electrical powers to control the magnetism perfectly. Watch this. Yes, perfect magnetic harmony. I've created the most beautiful levitation sculpture ever. Different metals respond differently to magnets. Iron is super magnetic, but aluminum barely responds at all. What do you think would happen if I added a magnet to this floating sculpture? Tell me in the comments. Adding this super magnet changes everything. Watch how all the objects reorganize themselves. Whoa! Multiple magnets create complex forces. Perfect! Now I have multiple magnetic centers creating the most complex levitation pattern ever. This same magnetic levitation technology powers super fast trains that float above their tracks. Remember, powerful magnets can be dangerous. Always ask an adult before trying magnetic experiments. You can explore magnetism safely at home with simple magnets and paper clips. It's still amazing. I challenge you to try magnetic experiments at home and share your discoveries with WonderLabs. Many animals like birds and sea turtles use Earth's magnetic field to navigate thousands of miles. Imagine the future. Floating cities, levitating cars, even magnetic space elevators could be possible. Every time you use a speaker, an electric motor, or even a compass, you're using the same magnetic forces we explored today. Smash that like button if you love this magnetic magic, and subscribe for more impossible science. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, science is the real magic. WonderLabs out!
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew.